everyone. Great to see you all here today. I'm really excited to share a case study about measuring something that seemed impossible at first. Display ads. Let's go. Have you ever faced a situation like one of these? You have a product, you want everyone to know about it, and you want your metrics to grow. I think you know what I'm talking about, but you're afraid to waste the budget without clear result, right? I had the same fear until I ran so many ads, so many tests, and found recipe for success. Today I'm going to share a real case showing how we launched a display ads campaign and measured what seemed impossible to measure. First, let me introduce myself and explain who I am. My name is Leonid. I'm the CEO of mr.Booster. I'm a practitioner in display ads, and to be honest, I'm much better at running campaigns than speaking in public. But why you should stay and listen to me? I have over 10 years of experience in marketing, and I lead a marketing agency with in-house traffic sources, development, and great team. Actually, we have the brightest yellow stand here. Come to us and say hello. My team will be happy. It all started with a client request that sounded like a challenge. We want to be the #1 of brand in some of the regions. Just do it. I won't share the name of the brand or different information because the client's request. At the time, this brand had already different traffic sources like affiliates, influencers, ACO, etc. But for small country, for small regions, these sources are limited. And to expand reach, the brand requested a display ads campaign and testing around 20 million impressions and using standard creatives. And what we get? After 1 month, the results were, unclear. And what did we do? Stop the test, cancel the budget, change our job, I don't know. We chose a different way. We took a deep breath and built new strategy from the scratch. Display ads are not performance channels where you can get results fast. Let me walk you through our strategy step by step. First, we needed clarity. We set clear goals and key metrics. Next, we set up full funnel analytics, and the goal here was to track both of type of conversion, post-click and post-view. And then, of course, came the creatives. We knew that in display ads, creatives are crucial. We focused on creating eye-catching visuals that grab attention in the first second. And finally, we gave the campaign 4 months. You may ask me why. Because display ads need time to reach their audience. Now let's talk about our goals. Our goal was simple, but really ambitious. Increase brand awareness and get our client into a top 1 market position in this region. And to track our progress, we defined 4 key metrics. First, increase brand traffic by 50%. Second, bring back 15% of inactive users who hadn't interacted with product for over than month. And then increase rec to depth by 10% in branded channels like ASO, ACO, and PPC. And finally, reduce customer acquisition cost for both types of conversion, post-click and post-view. What about analytics? Deep analytics becomes the key to our success. We integrated post-view analytics with Webarama service, and we track conversion for both of type of users who saw ads, old and new audience. And after we set attribution windows for different groups, for example, active users who return the product every day, we set 1-day attribution window. For inactive users, it was a 30-day attribution window. Creatives. In display ads, creatives are crucial. It's not just reusing all creatives and launching ads. You need story, emotion, music, and the main idea. And we approach our ads like mini shows. they should engage and stay in memory. And for this client, we made new creatives with real actors, location, and the main idea. And the audience really loves these creatives. Now let's talk about campaign settings. We chose online cinema website. They gave us good reach for a reasonable price, and we covered 100% of desktop and mobile traffic on popular movie sites. And we planned 4 months of the advertising and 200 million impressions in total. Also, we used various ad formats like pre-rolls, banners, and branding. And after 2 months, we added new creatives to push users deeper into the sale funnel. Now let's talk about our results after 4 months. Brand traffic grew by 47%. We saw a 20% increase in users who hadn't interacted with product for over than 1 month. And it was great to see that this campaign didn't just attract new users, but also brought back old ones. What about React to Dep? React to Dep, we achieved a 25% increase in branded channels as expected. And here's a big one, it is customer acquisition cost. We cut it by 50% for post-click. And at the first time, we started tracking post-view conversion, and our client was shocked. Just $5 per user. Both sides, our client, our team, were really excited about this campaign and this cooperation. And this campaign helped increase the total ROI across all of marketing channels by 10%. After that, we repeated this success in other regions with different brands. And here's my recipe for successful campaign. First, don't be afraid to try display ads. Guys, seriously, 2 free marketing channels can grow your product, your brand significantly. Second, analytics is the key to success. Set a goal in advance and use passive analytics. Third, creatives matter. Try to hook users from the first impression. And finally, be patient. Display ads don't give you instant results, but with clear strategy, the result will surprise you. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time.